PU 2022 Introductory MME, question number 2A, part 2. Find the range of the following functions. Okay. So what is range of a function? Range of a function is all the possible values that it can take. Okay. So you can see that hx is always going to be greater than or equal to 0 because we have a square here. Okay. And we have a positive number plus a square. Okay. So a square is greater than or equal to 0 and a positive number plus a square is greater than 0. So greater than or equal to 0 divided by greater than 0 is going to be greater than or equal to 0. So how do you write this? We write x square is greater than or equal to 0. 1 plus x square is greater than 0. Therefore, hx is greater than or equal to 0. So one thing is sure that hx cannot be negative. Okay. Also, note that x square is less than 1 plus x square, okay, for any x. So x square upon 1 plus x square is going to be less than 1. So therefore, hx is actually belonging to this interval, closed at 0, open at 1. So what is the range? The range is this interval, or we can write 0 less than equal to hx, strictly less than 1. Okay. Now, let us look at part B. We have to find the range of kx, okay, where kx is 4 power x plus 2 power x plus 4 power minus x plus 2 power minus x plus 3. Okay, so note one thing that kx will always be greater than 3. Why? The reason is that for a positive, a power x is always positive. Okay. So for all and x. So therefore, what is happening? 4 power x, 2 power x, 4 power minus x plus 2 power minus x plus 3 is positive. Okay. So all these are positive. So therefore, when we add these are positive, so they are definitely greater than 3. And in fact, we can see that, okay, let us look at 4 power x plus 1 by 4x. Okay. So if we know this result, that arithmetic mean of two numbers is always greater than or equal to their geometric mean. So if we look at, 4 power x plus 4 power minus x, okay. So if we look at their arithmetic mean, this is always going to be greater than or equal to their geometric mean, okay. So arithmetic of mean of two numbers is this and geometric mean of two numbers is root of AB. So let's see. So that means 4 power x plus 4 power minus x is greater than or equal to 2 times root 1. This is going to be 1, so root 1 is 1. So that means this is greater than or equal to 2. Similarly, 2 power x plus 2 power minus x is going to be greater than or equal to 2. So therefore, if we see, we can have a better interval for our range, and that should be this. So your kx is now going to be greater than or equal to 2 plus 2 plus 3. So kx is going to be greater than or equal to 7. And there is no upper limit because as x increases, 4 power x increases, 2 power x increases. So therefore, the range is the interval 7, infinity closed at 7.